Hello everyone! Our channel Japa.Mommies helps you learn Japanese by cooking.
Today I would like to explain to you the 4 levels of our videos: Basic, Beginner, Intermediate, and Advanced. By knowing the differences between the levels can make it more efficient for you. The differences between the levels. Basic. This could be for someone thinking, oh, I want to start studying Japanese from today. Our basic videos have vocabulary for cooking, like cooking tools, cooking verbs, or naming vegetables, and how to write them in hiragana or katakana with their strokes. Beginner. The beginner level has slow speaking, simple sentences repeated twice, with subtitles all in hiragana, and sometimes even a quiz at the end.
タレを入れます。タレを入れます。玉ねぎとピーマンとハムを一緒に炒めます。玉ねぎとピーマンとハムを一緒に炒めます。
Intermediate. The intermediate level has more complicated sentences and subtitles, including kanji.
卵を入れて、卵に8割ぐらい火が通ったら出来上がりだよ。これを白いご飯の上に乗せます。
So we put it on the rice when the eggs are 8 to like that?
そう。
Approximately.
Advanced. Advanced has 2 or more native Japanese people speaking about food or culture of Japan.
今日はテーマおせち料理。日本の食文化としておせち料理、お正月に食べるおせち料理を、テーマに会話していきたいと思います。おせち料理とはというのを調べてみましたので、その文章を読みます。あ、私が読む？
私、読んで漢字いっぱいだし。
Oh, and the short versions are a short cooking video with English and Japanese subtitles. We are always welcome for requests for the menu and topic for advanced levels.
There are different versions of the same recipe, so try out different options to find the one you're most comfortable with, and improve your skills with Japa.Mommies.
Please subscribe to our channel. Subscribeしてね。